Caleb, is that you?
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, you look good, mom.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, where you from?
From Illinois. What about you?
I'm from Memphis.
Type shit. Memphis, Tennessee.
Memphis, Tennessee. How old are you?
I'm 20.
You 20?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm 19.
Type shit.
Yeah, that's not too young, is it?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay. Okay. I like your piercing.
When's your... Thank you.
What you finna ask?
Did you hear me?
What you finna ask?
I said, when's your birthday?
October 18th.
Type shit.
Yep.
Let's go, elders.
Don't do too much. Don't try and little boy me.
I ain't little boy you.
Yeah. Yeah, you look good. Put your Instagram in.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
So.
I got to my else for that one, cause I ain't gonna lie. Hello.
Hey,
What's your name?
Chloe, what's your name?
My name Caleb. You look good, Chloe. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm sorry, what'd you say? I'm sorry, I had to self-regulate, like, bro.
You good. How old are you?
Why are you looking like that? Why are you looking
How am I
like
looking?
that?
I'm not looking like now. I'm just asking how old are you?
Turn around for a second. Like,
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 19, but can you please turn around?
I'm 19 too. I'm not looking at you.
Turn around.
Can I look now?
Oh my God! Leave me alone.
Where you from? You look good. You look good.
Oh, you cute. I like you.
You look good. Where you from?
I'm sorry, I have to take a screenshot. Anyways, how many bodies you got? You lying?
I'm not lying.
I'm sorry, cause like if I'm a random ass female. If you were just to be like, hey, drop them.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
That's nice to know. Yeah, that's cool. Where you from?
I'm from Cali. Where you from?
I'm from Memphis, but I want to make my way to Cali. I wanted to already, but now I want to even more. Like, I gotta come see you. You gotta show me around. You know what I'm saying? Be my best friend. Show me around Cali.
You want my Instagram?
Yeah, I want your Instagram.
I know you do. Bye, Function.
Hello.
Yo.
Hey. How old are y'all?
Is that Caleb?
Is that who?
Oh my God, yo, Nina.
How you know that?
Yo, wait a damn minute. I know exactly who you are. I know exactly who this nigga is.
Now she recognized me, bro.
Shut up, Anita.
I didn't say.
I can't even spell his name right. I was talking his account the other day
What's
because
your
I
Instagram?
did not recognize who this was. I thought he went to my school.
What's your Instagram? I'm gonna follow you back.
Oh, shut up, Anita.
Yo.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Jayla. Her name's Maya.
Oh, okay. How old are y'all?
19.
19. Okay. I'm 19 too. Where y'all from?
St. Louis.
St. Louis. I'm from Memphis. Y'all look good though, for real.
Thank you. You look good too.
I appreciate it. What y'all doing? Y'all on spring break?
Yeah, we're on spring break.
What y'all do for spring break?
Well, I'm not going out of town.
No, they different. No. Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
You kind of loud.
I am for real.
Yeah.
Like very loud.
Yeah. Why is your name famous on IG?
Cause I got followers on IG, but we ain't gonna focus on that
That ain't
right
humble
now.
at all.
You said what?
That's not humble. You gotta be humble.
Nah, I just do it to catch attention. I create content.
Okay.
Yeah. What you do? You stream? Oh, so you just be on here.
Mhm.
What's that on your bed? Bro, what? She gotta. Bro, come on. Come on. Hello.
Huh?
What's your name?
The Don, what's your name?
What's your real name?
Taylor, what's your real name?
My name Caleb.
Oh.
Yeah, you look good, Taylor.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. How old are you?
I'm 18. How old is you?
I'm 18 too. You see, we already got a lot in common.
You do my lashes?
Where you from?
Yeah. California. No, only my tonight. We're going to
California.
LA.
Okay, I'm from Memphis.
Where that's at?
Tennessee.
Florida. Oh shit. Glow.
Yeah.
Like Glow.
Yeah. Yeah. If I come over to Cali, you gonna show me around?
Yeah, I got you.
You got to show me something. Say no more. Put your Instagram, man. I'm gonna follow you.
I don't got Instagram. I got TikTok.
Alright, yeah. Put your TikTok.
I'll follow you back. What's your TikTok?
100K.
All right.
Alright, I just followed you.
All right.
You be cool.
Thank you.
For sure.
Gotcha, nigga. No, he's on TikTok.
Hello. What's your name? What's your like what? Like, I think me looking too good, it be going to get me sometimes. Hello.
What he say?
He was like, where your friend go? They started laughing.
Ooh, you pretty in the back. What's your name? Yeah, I'm talking about you.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Gabrielle.
Gabrielle? Okay. My name Caleb. It's nice to meet you.
Halo?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. It's nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
You 17? Okay, I'm 18. Where you from?
I'm from Virginia.
Virginia? Okay. I'm from Memphis. I'm gonna have to come see you. You look good.
Memphis?
Yeah,
Thank you.
of course. You got a pretty
look
smile
good.
on you.
I appreciate that.
Yeah. Put your Instagram, man. Well, alright, y'all have a good rest of y'all night, okay? Alright, I'll be looking for that follow
I'm
more.
gonna hit you up.
Alright, send them more.
Oh no. Got too many people watching me. Bye.
I'm right there, nigga. I'm right there, nigga.